Welcome back to Birding by Sound with Rachel. Today we're going to talk about the song and calls of the adorable and aptly named brown creeper. The brown creeper is a tiny songbird with a streaky brown backside, a down-curved beak, and a long tail with spiny tips. Look for brown creepers in mature forests, much like the one behind me here, where they spiral up the side of tree trunks in search of insect prey. The song of the brown creeper is a series of high, thin notes that have a jumbled quality at the end. Luckily, it's linked phonetically to the phrase, trees, trees, beautiful trees. Let's take a listen. Now let's talk about their calls. The most commonly heard calls of the brown creeper are high, thin C notes. They're typically given singly or doubly. Let's take a quick listen. Let's take one more listen to the brown creeper's song and calls. Thank you so much for listening. Please let me know in the comments if there are any bird sounds you're curious about.